Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel WebToTech. In today's video, I'll walk you through the process of enabling and using VR mode in YouTube. If you have a VR headset and want to immerse yourself in a whole new world of videos, then this video is for you. So without further delay, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open YouTube app on your device. Make sure you have the latest version of the app installed. Now search for the video that supports VR. You can do this by typing virtual reality video on the search bar which is on the top of the screen. You will find a variety of options to choose from. And once you find the VR video, tap on it to open it. You will see the video playing in the regular mode. To enable the VR mode, tap on settings on the video, which is on the top right corner of the screen. Then tap on watch in VR, which is right above the help and feedback. Now insert your device into the VR headset. Make sure it's properly secured and aligned with the lenses. Once you are all set up, you can start enjoying the VR experience. Look around and explore the virtual reality world as the video plays. You will feel like you are right there. So this is it for the video. I hope this video was helpful. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.